So over here you can see that I have a bunch of tasks and they are linked with one another over here in different ways. Like for example, you can see that the brainstorming concept and the storyline writing is connected to the script writing, and then that is connected to the storyboarding right here. So now what you're seeing is one type of predecessor setting where the end connects on to the beginning of the other task. But if you want to go ahead and change that, let me just go around and type in task 1, for example, and task 2 and task 3 right here, just like this. So this is what I have. If I were to go around over here and then link these together, I can go around over here and then link it together by clicking on this button. You can see that one task follows next task right here. So I'm just going to go around and add in 5 days each right here, just like this. So this is what I have, as you can see. And this didn't actually automatically get arranged because it is not set to auto schedule. So let me just go ahead and then auto schedule all of these right here. So once this is done, let me just go around and change the date, and you can see that a task gets connected to the other. But what you can also do is change out the predecessor type so that the task links in different ways. Like let's say, for example, the starting connects with the end right now. But if I were to go around onto let's say the view menu right here, that is the view tab, and if I were to turn on the details, then you can see that I get this option over here on the bottom, and I can go around and select out the task that I want to change the predecessor type for. So over here you can see that it says FS, which means finish to start. So the finish of like task 2 gets connected out to the start of task 3 right here, and that is what you see right here. The finish is being connected onto the start. But if I were to go ahead and then change this to, let's say, for example, finish to finish right here, just like this, then what happens is that now the finish of task 2 is connected to the finish of task 3, as you can see right here. So if you want both of the finish to be connected, that is what you can do. You can also go around over here, and instead of finish to start, you can go for finish to finish, finish to start, or start to finish over here as well. So you can see that the finish of both of these tasks now gets connected to the start of this task right here. If we were to go around over here on to start, then what happens is that the start of this particular task gets connected with this, meaning that both of them needs to be started at the same time, and both of these tasks needs to be finished at the same time. If I were to go around and change out the days, you can see that it arranges everything out accordingly right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and then set up the predecessor types inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.